walls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead, who's good?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really noticed. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost.
तो थैंक यू सो मच गाइज, यहाँ तक देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना। तो थैंक यू गाइज, कीप सपोर्टिंग, कीप लविंग। दिस इज टैलेंट कैजुअल।